What's up guys, I'm back in another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Porodo mechanical gaming keyboard. So, it is linear mechanical red switches. It has 7 following RGB light strips, rainbow backlight effects, metal top cover, anti-ghosting, multimedia combination. Now let's open it up and see what's inside, guys. There's tape here, so I'm going to get it out with the scissors. Now we're going to open it up. So as you can see, guys, it's wrapped in this. And there's these things. So inside of this cover is the keyboard. I'm going to count down. 3, 2, 1. You might guys not be able to see it. I'm just going to get it out from the cover. There's nothing else inside the box except this user manual. It's in everything because you might know how it works. We need this. It's a big box. Now we're gonna move on to the keyboard. Now I'm gonna get this charging thing out. This is the keyboard where you plug it from. You can play any game you want. Now I'm gonna take the keys out. Whoa! Look at this, guys. It looks so beautiful. This is the most beautifulest keyboard ever. So it's a full-size keyboard. It's not a 30%, it's not a 60% keyboard actually, because 60% are this much. As usual, as all of them, there's this thing. To make it stand. This is how it looks like. And you can see from here, it's red switches. Linear red switches, not cherry MX. Now, we're going to do the keyboard sound test. It's pretty good actually. This is the red switch. We're going to put it back. So guys, this is the gaming. This is the gaming mechanical keyboard. But when you plug it to your device or anything like a laptop or like anything, then it will become RGB and it will be colorful. So now I'm going to plug it to a laptop. Guys, I actually realized that I don't know how to change the RGB, but I'll just show you right now here. So the wire is getting tackled. Cool. This is how the RGB looks. I actually didn't know how to change the RGB, but there's actually effects here that how you can change it. So to change the backlight, which is like right here on the sides, you gotta press F and pause. So this is FN and then where's pause? Okay, look at that. Look at this, guys. This side. Whoa, it became green. Whoa, it's so cool. Whoa. Whoa, look at this one, guys. I like this one. Then to change the RGB of the keycaps, you have to press FN plus INS. Ins. Right here. Boom. This one is like this. And again, FN. What was it again? These are the different lights, and I like this one the best. So if you actually don't know how to change the RGB or the sides, the backlight, then you actually shouldn't throw away the box because it tells how you should change the backlight or this. So I'm gonna just throw it away because I'm just gonna keep this forever. So guys, this is how the keyboard looks after all overall. I love the keyboard sound and the RGB. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye.